everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today's recipe is another one from Beat the Heat series. This is a raw mango juice. This juice is so refreshing, so easy to make and very tasty. I'm making this juice using one raw mango, and this juice will be a bit tangy flavored one. But if you don't like tangy flavor, you can use semi-ripe mango to make this juice. Now cut that into pieces and add it into a blender. Add some sweetness according to your choice. Add ice cubes and some mint leaves for that refreshing flavor. And you should use only ice cold water for this juice. Now blend it and strain it. Fill the glass with some ice cubes and pour the juice. In this scorching summer, we love to drink ice-cold fruit juices, but try to make it fresh at home with less sugar, because too much sweetness, it's not healthy. So stay safe and stay hydrated. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google+, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more unique recipes from our channel. Do check it out. Thank you.